Imagine a child lying on a grassy hill at night, staring up at the galaxy-strewn sky, mesmerized by the way stars seem to glitter and flicker. Many people grow up believing that stars themselves are actually twinkling, as if each one is a tiny celestial firefly. But the truth is, the phenomenon we call the twinkle of a star is a trick played by Earth's own atmosphere. High above, stars are distant, luminous balls of gas burning with unchanging intensity. Their light sets off on its long journey toward Earth, undisturbed and unwavering. But as it approaches our planet, the beam collides with layers of ever-shifting air, our atmosphere. These atmospheric layers are constantly moving. Warm pockets rise, cool air sinks, winds twist and swirl. Each air mass has a slightly different temperature and density. As starlight passes through these writhing pockets, it bends ever so slightly, a process known as refraction. This minute bending alters the apparent position and brightness of the star for an instant. Multiply this by millions of small, rapid disruptions, and the star appears to twinkle. If you live at high altitude or peer through a telescope above the atmosphere, say from the Hubble Space Telescope, the stars appear steady and serene, their light uninterrupted. The twinkle disappears, confirming it's the air below, not the stars themselves, that creates the shimmer. Planets, though also visible in the night sky, tend not to twinkle. Their apparent disk is larger, so the light averages out, smoothing over atmospheric disturbances. This difference is often used by astronomers and enthusiasts alike to distinguish planets from stars. So next time you look up and watch a star shimmer, think of the hidden air currents rushing overhead, bending and shaping celestial light. The twinkle is actually Earth's signature on ancient starlight, a reminder of the lively barrier between us and the cosmos. If this sparked your curiosity, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.